Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick little project that I put together, and this project was inspired by Annie from Rosieposy Crafts. Annie put up a video earlier today, or maybe yesterday night or something, of a desk tidy that she had made, and I thought it was wonderful. It was inspired by a friend of hers, a lady by the name of Jane, who is the Crafting Shed Davies on YouTube, and it's an origami desk tidy, and I thought it was wonderful. So I went over to see her friend's channel where she made a little pen holder, and I thought, yep, that's what I'm going to do. And then on the sidebar of the actual video, all these origami things came up, so I had a little look, and because I didn't want a really big one like Annie made, which is fabulous, but I wanted something a bit smaller, I went with a different origami style, and this is the style I went with, and it's very, very, very simple to make, probably a little bit more simple than Jane and Annie's design, but I loved the tapering top on it. Now this is just made out of scrapbooking paper, and I think if you covered it in fabric it would be spectacular, but I love this paper. I bought some of this paper, which is the Kaisercraft Rose Avenue paper pack, and I absolutely love it. I bought it I think 2 or 3 12 by 12 paper packs, and I bought this little 6.5 paper pack of it so I could decorate my craft room, because all the colours in it are colours that I love. And so I have made this out of just 6 sheets of the paper and an offcut of some paper that Crafty Irina sent me. All the lace on here is from Irene, who is seriously scrapping. The pearl trim is my own, as is this one down here. And I just made a stick pin for the top. I shoved some sponge, just a little bit of... I just cut a slither off the end here, folded it in half, and glued it inside the actual desk tidy. And once it was dry, then I stuck my stick pin in there. Now the stick pin is all glued in there with some glossy accent. It's probably still drying a little bit as well. Very easy to make. In hindsight, there are things I would do a little bit differently. If I ever made another one, there are definitely things I would do a little bit differently, because you do end up with a crease mark across the middle of it, which would be okay if you were decorating there, and it's okay for me personally because it's just going to sit there with things in it. But if I was giving it as a gift, I would probably change that when I was making it. And yep, that's about it. So simple to make. I will put a link in the description box below to Annie's video and to Jane's video, and I'll also put a link to the video tutorial that I found this one on as well. Thank you, Annie, for the inspiration. I needed to get away from a project that I've been working on for a couple of days. I just needed to do something different, and this was absolutely perfect for that, and so thank you for that. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope you like my little project, and do go over and pay Annie and Jane a visit. Thank you. Bye.